Welcome, beautiful.
Hey pretties, I'm back again with another full face makeup tutorial and I'm going from bare to stitches. Okay, so I love this hair. I got this hair bundle from AliExpress. It came three bundles and one closure, but this is just two of the bundles and I seriously love it. So while you're still busy trying to figure out why I love this hair, please go right there down below, and hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up because I know you're gonna love it. And let's go down to the video. Okay, so first things first is I prime my face. So I'm using Douborq invisible face primer and I'm gonna rub that right inside my skin. So next I'm going in with my foundation, Kiss Beauty foundation from Foundation Nation, and I'm going to blend that all through my face, including my neck. Then I'm going in with L.A Girl Pro Concealer. The first one was warm honey and this second one is dark cocoa. Then I'm going in with the third one, which is the shade fawn. So I'm going to apply this on the right edges on my face. At least I'm going to apply what is it called, the fawn, around this area of my mouth. Then warm honey around my right hand side. Then I'm going to apply cocoa, dark cocoa, on my left hand side. So actually when I was doing this makeup, I don't really know what I was thinking, but I decided to do it like this. So after this I'm going to powder my face. I'm going to use 3 different powders. I'm going to apply it on the 3 different places. Looking at the color, you know exactly which one goes for which. Okay, so I'm going to set my face. The 2 areas I'll use different shade for it. At the right hand side is Sacha Buttercup and the other side is black opal. Then I'm going to contour my face. This is very essential because I'm trying to be artistic, like a drawing on my face. So I'm going to contour that face. So to get it much more artistic, this is what I love doing the most. Exactly. Okay, let's get down to the fun part, and this is the part where I land those areas that has those stitches on them. So pay very good attention and you will learn a lot from these. Okay, so I'll go in with my concealer from phoera, and that is in the shade white, is medium beige. Okay, I added a little bit of a pink eyeshadow, but I don't know if it's showing right from here. It's not actually showing, but that can be handled. So I'm going to apply this at one side of the black line I've already drawn. Okay, so then I'll go in with the dark coffee from the same phoera Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply that at the other side of the black line. This is gonna make it look a lot more artistic, kind of. Then we're going into another fun part, which is lining those stitches. This area, I'm just drawing like a horizontal or a vertical line across the line I've already drawn, just to show the the stitches around that area. When you come to hospital, when they stitch you, there's this line it gives, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Then the next part is the blushes. This part was very funny while I was doing this look. After applying my blush around my cheekbones, which I applied too much, I went ahead applying it on those stitches, just to give it that reddish look. Then I'll go in with the eyes. I'm going to take that orangey shade as my transition shade. Actually, I was thinking of what look to give this, but I just got the right one. I'm going to do a halo look. So I'm going in with that black. I'm going to apply it all over my crease and around that area, you know, the two sides, inner corner, outer corner, leaving the middle part of it where the crease, the halo look is gonna come in. So now I am cutting that crease and I'm trying to make it look a lot beautiful and fitted for my hooded eyes. Yeah, so I'm taking that golden brown shade over there from the Magic by Juvia palette, and I'm applying that in between my inner corner and what am I even saying? Inner corner, outer corner, yeah. Then this is the next simple step, drawing your eyebrows. You know, it looks good like this even without concealing or anything. That is the beauty of applying your foundation before every other makeup, but it can get a lot messy, you know. So I'm going to conceal it, but just a little bit. I just took a little bit of the concealer that remains from what I did, you know, the crease that I cut, so I'm going to use that on it. So I'm taking that same shade that I used for the halo look, and I'm going to take that shade around my brow bones, my inner corner, my forehead, my nose, my lips, my cheekbones. I'm just going to use that as my highlighter, okay, because I don't need a lot highlighting. You know, I just got wounded, for crying out loud. So even though I was wearing makeup on, the look must have faded, you know. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm actually blending that with my hands so it doesn't look too shiny. So right now I am drawing my line. Okay, I am just lining those eyes to make it look beautiful, because in as much as I'm wounded, I need to look pretty no matter what. Just look your best. So for my eyeliner, I used Anastasia gel eyeliner, and for mascara I'm using Huda Beauty waterproof mascara. Then I'll go down to the lashes. I'm using Giselle lashes, and I'm using the number 15 and the number 32. So I applied my lower lash, okay, just to make it look a lot full and scary. You know, after being wounded, you look a lot scary. So I'm going in with BB Beauty lipstick that is in the shade Natural, that is 9. It's very natural. As you can see how it looks, I just love that eyes. Okay, so thank you so much, thank you so much for watching. And while I'm still busy trying to go ahead and scare some people with this look, please don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you, bye.